Okay, so what has happened again? Tried to open the bonnet and I'm stuck with this little lever in my hand. This normally sits over here and you pull it out and it releases the hood on the Audis and the Passats. So I'm going to try and show you where to put your hand in order to release it manually. There we go. If you can see that little latch over there behind my finger, that's the latch that you need to pull down like that in order to open the hood. Okay, so I'm gonna try and maneuver this with the phone in one hand and with my other hand pushing on the lever. Impossible to do it with a one-hand operation. So let me just put this down quickly. There we go. So you'll be sitting like this, and then that's the little guy that you need to pull down this way in order for the bonnet catch to release and for the hood to open. Hope this helps.